So I bought the most low-key bag from Louis Vuitton. What is it? Hi, my love. So today I've got something new to show you. Yes, it is a bag. Yes, it is super low-key. And yes, I have been waiting for it. So if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Mel. I'm pretty much going to get right into the reveal, but if you haven't already, I would love for you to join my family, and all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell so you're part of my family. Okay, so what did I buy? Let's get straight into the reveal. Okay, big orange box, packaging. Let's open it up together. Okay, so firstly, what do I mean by low key? I mean, I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with that term, but low key to me means an item or a bag that is discreet, minimal logoing, understated, sort of a classic, simple shape, doesn't sort of like scream designer. And if you haven't already, and you are interested in low-key bags, I've actually done a video on, 10 low-key bags that I have in my collection. I'll link it above. But anyway, LV usually is not associated with low-key. Let's face it. I mean, the Monogram canvas, everyone knows LV. I'm rambling. I'll just show you what I got. And in this dust bag, I got, dun, dun, dun. Ta-da! So this is the Louis Vuitton Speedy BB in ink monogram. Now, let me just take this packaging off. So, let me give you a good look at the bag. So this is made in lambskin leather. It is embossed, but it is not like empreinte. Empreinte leather with the embossing, if you run your hand down empreinte leather, you can actually feel that it's been stamped. Whereas for this, you can't, it's completely smooth. So why do I think this is the most low-key bag from Louis Vuitton? I mean, if I'm wearing it from a distance, it kind of just looks like a, plain duffel-shaped bag. And it's not until you really sort of put in the light that you can actually see the monogram. So I love that it's so understated. And, there are a couple of bags from LV that are pretty understated as well. Like, for example, Louis Vuitton empreinte leather is understated, but you can see the embossing. And another leather which is really understated, in my opinion, is epi leather. But the reason why I think this is more so is because epi leather's been around for ages. I think it was introduced in 1985, and besides like the canvas, the monogram and damier ebene, I would say epi leather is pretty synonymous with LV too. So I think this is much newer for LV. LV don't usually do lambskin, and I love it because I love lambskin leather and it is just so soft and supple. So let me just open the bag up and show you. So it's just a zipper top like this. You can't get more classic than this, LV shape. That's another reason why I think, it is just such a low-key bag. So you've got the booklet inside. Let me just take all this stuffing out and tell you what it comes with. Okay, so inside is a big black hole, and it is made in like microfiber lining, and it's got a leather pocket. You know what? First impressions is, I reckon they could have done the lining in a different color. It would make finding your things a lot easier, don't you think? But look, I love the microfiber lining. I just wish they made it in a different color. And then it also comes with an LV luggage tag with the LV there. So if you wanted, you could put that on, and I think that is beautiful on, but it's removable. And then one of the things that I love about this bag is the strap. So let me show you the strap. So this is the strap. So this strap is braided. And I remember when I saw this, I was immediately attracted to this. So for those of you that aren't aware, this Speedy BB is quite a new size for Louis Vuitton. I think it first came out when it was the LV and League of Legends collaboration. That was the first time I saw this size. And then secondly was, I think spring summer 2020, they came up with an all sort of leather version, calf leather version in camel, and inside was all in monogram. And I loved the size and everything, but I'm not sure if I missed out on it or I couldn't get my hands on it. Anyway, I was attracted to that. But when I saw this sort of previewing, I was like, oh my goodness, I love it because one, it's in lambskin leather, and I do love lambskin. Now, just feeling this lambskin leather, it does feel a bit more robust than, say, Chanel lambskin. I will have to let you know how it goes. Okay, I'm just looking. Down the bottom, there isn't any feet. And yeah, basically the whole bag is in lambskin leather with that embossing, but it's smooth, you can't feel it. So this strap here was one of the reasons I was so attracted to it, because I love that it is detachable. So let me just put it on for you. So there you go. This is the strap. And I think with this strap, it just dresses up the bag a lot. I do own the Speedy 25 bandolier, and I do own the Nano Speedy. And I'll show you, a quick size comparison because I brought them down. But one of my complaints about the Nano Speedy is, one, the strap is not detachable. And one of my complaints about the Speedy 25 is that it's still, I don't know, a bit bulky. But this is just, it's almost like the perfect in-between size. And because some people do find the Nano Speedy quite small, I think it's adorable. But, this is such a good size. And just for reference, I have got an iPhone 11 Pro Max. It fits no problem. Like, this has got so much space. So that's always good that it fits that in really easily. So as I was saying, I love this strap. The detailing is just so nice. So with this strap, you can wear it on the shoulder, you can wear it crossbody. It's long enough to wear crossbody. For reference, I am 164 centimeters tall, and because this bag is so understated, you can honestly put any sort of strap with it and dress it up. It's like a blank canvas, really. And you can play around with it. Like, even with this strap, you could actually double the strap up like this. And how cute does it look like that? You can wear it, on the shoulder like that, and it's not too restrictive. It is just so cute. You can add a little charm here to dress it up. There's lots of ways you could add a very just plain strap. I actually brought down and I'll try it for you. This is my strap, all leather strap from my Neo Noe. And, any black strap could work. I mean, if you didn't like this chain strap, which I love, you could just put a normal black strap. You can put any strap on this, honestly. The options are endless. But if you wanted a longer crossbody, just use one of your other straps. I've got this one, and this matches beautifully as well, and that can make it into a longer crossbody. And you know what I think is so cute with it, which I think will match really well, and I brought down my Rodeo. You guys know that I'm crazy about these little horsies, and I would totally wear my Rodeos on other bags, and I have, not just on my Hermes bags. And when I saw this, I knew it was going to go really well because this bag is in lambskin leather. Again, this Rodeo is made in really soft lambskin leather. Is that not a match made in heaven? So understated. With the charm, it makes it a lot more playful. But yeah, you can add anything. And I also brought down to try out, because for jewelry, like, I wear mixed metals. Like, look at my bracelets and my ring. Like, I mix it. I've actually got this really cute, Vivienne charm. Let's see if it actually goes. Yeah, see? That's quite cute too. I know that we're mixing metals, but you mix metals all the time. I don't mind. But what I'm saying is I love this bag because you can have a play with it. So for reference, this is the Speedy BB. This is the Nano Speedy. So this measures 17.5 and this measures 16. So you can see it is quite a lot, bigger and taller. And then if I compare it next to the Speedy 25, mine is the bandolier version. So 25, Speedy 25, because it measures 25 centimeters across. And then this is the Speedy BB, which measures 17.5. And then we've got the little baby nano. So those are the three sizes, just for a super quick comparison. And how much is it? So obviously, because it's all leather, it is going to be more pricey. And this is 4,000 Australian dollars. So I just think it is such a cute bag. It is so low key. It's understated. It's clean. It's sophisticated, but it's iconic. And see how here you can see a bit of the logo, but depending on how the light, then you can't tell. So for those of you that want a really understated but iconic bag, do consider this. It also comes in the vanity as well, but I prefer the Speedy. So that is my new low-key baby, and I just love how low profile she is, but at the same time, you can also dress her up to your heart's content. So that is it, guys. That's my quick reveal of the most low-key bag from Louis Vuitton. Do you think it's low-key? What do you think of it? Please comment below and let me know. Thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already subscribed, do subscribe. I was looking and there was only about, I think there's only about 35% of you that are subscribed to my channel. So do hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to join the family. Lots more surprises and things coming up. So big kisses, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye, guys.